Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. So guys, Mkosi namhlanje it's about Dominic. Guys, we know that Dominic, she has been scammed by ex-boyfriend. The ex-boyfriend pretended that he loves Dominic, can't know yena unezinye inhloso nge-relationship yakhe noDominic, and now he is denying him being in a relationship with Dominic. Uthende yena noDominic, they were just business partners. So Dominic asked him ukuthi abe i-videographer yakhe and photographer yakhe and to be i-partner yakhe makahamba ama-event. Nothing more, nothing less, guys. But ke Dominic later released evidence. You know what, mina nawe besithandana, angeke undenze ngalolo hlobo. So guys, let me just post a video guy, then statement sa Dominic.
Gents, here's the full story of this. The person uqala kwakudibana naye, I was in a Netflix event. I was invited to Netflix event. Zange ndiye kuye mna ndisithi bana andifuna yena ndifuna yena. I never said that. The deal between mna naye, I'm making content editing for yena, and then ke that's all. And then bethe akanamntu travelisha. That's all. Enye i-video leyo qala, the hand one, the Coca-Cola, promoting Coca-Cola. Enye esithi bana pretending like I'm boyfriend yakhe wara. That's all. And then now she's gonna like zopmane poster ezazinto. And then this person was like saying ukuthi uzandifundisa more about TikTok because une followers is needs. Basically this person tricked me. That's all. And again, nice. I don't have a problem with gays. The thing is, when you think this is very, very easy, you think I just became rude in jail when out of nowhere. You don't understand what is so blonde. You still got the way that I love you whenever you just fucking up with me. I'm being rude because I can sing. You are fucking up with my brain right now. Because you know what I love you. You know what Nantana when I then go when I was go back. That's why I don't want to talk to you, because I know I'm gonna be rude. I know la anger liana is ngskis pelele.
Guys, according to statements by Dominic, it seems like Dominic with this guy, they broke up December or early this year about jail. I do not understand why the guy is trending now. I don't understand why guy is releasing any form of statement now. Yeah, now was to if people are supporting him with this girl, because clearly no girl, they were in these things together, they were scheming to Dominic together, because on the video that Dominic posted, she stated that was Ugel as a cousin. Ugel was introduced to her as a cousin. So clearly, and I know girl, they were agreeing in this thing of scamming with Dominic. I do not know the reason of him posting my videos or making my videos now. Ukutshengisa abantu ukuthi yena noDominic they were never together. He doesn't owe public any explanation. Ngabe vele wazithulela wazichubekela ngelife. Ngabe this thing has died down now. But then him continue to deny ukuthi yena noDominic they were in a relationship. Uforce uDominic ukuthi akhiphe evidence, because noDominic angeke kube ngathi yena manje uyasihlaza or yena ngathi uyazibhikela. No. So for Dominic ukuthi akhiphe more videos, more evidence to show ukuthi yena noDominic they were in a relationship, and maybe yena vele he is bisexual or he is gay, but bangakaphumi kufamily yakhe. Yabona ukuthi manje sekazidonsela amanzi, sekafuna ukuveza, he's forced now ukuthi akhulume iqiniso, because his family saying bazophisa Dominic, they are making things worse ukuthi Dominic naimele akutshengise phela abantu ukuthi know what, mina with this guy we're in a relationship. But I feel like the guy was with Dominic only for money and for my views. Ayikho nje, but maybe ubonile to know what, mina lo muntu angimthandi, let me just go to the love of my love. Guys, izinto ezenziwa abantu just because of i-poverty. You know, poverty izokwenzisa izinto. Izokwenza ukuthi ube i-flag, ube imember ye-flag, ungasi-member ye-flag. I-poverty izokwenza ukuthi uthandane nentanga kaba bakho ungafuni. Yazi, ya inhlupheko inamanyala. I'll tell you this for free. Inhlupheko inamanyala, bazala bami. But that is all for now, bazala. Please comment down below your thoughts, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit that notification button. Nginithanda kuya nokubuya.